Hello everyone, welcome back to Triveni School online classes. I am Ravigna Rathi. So in today's class we'll discuss about the topic data handling of class 3rd. First of all, what is data handling? Data is the information you are given with students. So arranging that data is considered as data handling. This can be done in two forms, pictograph and bar graph. First we will discuss about the pictograph, then we will discuss about the bar graph, student. What is pictograph? Picto means, as the name suggests, pictures will be there. So the data or the information represented with the help of pictures is considered as pictograph, student. We can be having questions like answer the questions after looking at the pictograph, or you need to draw the pictograph of the following information. These two ways we'll discuss in this video. So we'll discuss this with the help of example, how to answer the questions looking at the pictograph. Here we are having a pictograph that is of some books sold by a shop. So 4 days are given of the week. On these days, these number of books are sold. First you have to look at the sign you taken is equals to how many that objects or the things. Here we are having books, so this sign is equals to 1 book. So Monday, how many books were sold? 3. Tuesday, how many were sold? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On Wednesday, how many books were sold? 2. And on Thursday, how many books were sold? 3. You can also write like this. Okay. Now answer the following questions. Questions can be asked in any of the way, right? Like how to find out the maximum, find out the minimum, find the total, find the difference between two, or find the same number of the things. So here we are having 3 types of question. On which day maximum books were sold? So maximum means the amount which is highest, okay, or the amount which is largest of the all or the greatest of the all. Now maximum, here is 3, here is 5, here is 2, here is 3. So which number is the greatest? That is 5. So on which day 5 books were sold? Tuesday. So my answer will be Tuesday. Means on Tuesday maximum number of books were sold. And on which day minimum books were sold? So minimum means the lowest number. So what is the lowest number? 2. And on which day 2 books were sold? Wednesday. So Wednesday. Now on which 2 days same number of books were sold? Means the amount must be same. The number must be same. So here is 3, here is 3. On which 2 days? Monday and Thursday. The question can also be asked in the form to find out the total number of books to be sold in the whole week or in all the 4 days. So what will you do? 3 plus 5 plus 2 plus 3. So our answer will be 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 3, 13. So means in all these 3 days 13 books were sold. The question can also be asked in the form of to find out the difference between the highest amount and the lowest amount. So what is the highest amount? 5. And what is the lowest amount? 2. So the difference will be 5 minus 2. That is 3. So like this you can answer the question after looking at the pictograph. Now the type second is to draw a pictograph using the following information. Here information is given month and balls purchased. It means these are the number of balls purchased by any child or any shop. So in January 5 balls were purchased, in February 6 balls were purchased, in March 2 balls were purchased, in April 1 ball was purchased. Now before starting the pictograph you have to take care that the sign you are taking, you have to mention that sign is equals to how many object. Here I am taking 1 ball. You can also take 2 balls, 3 balls, 4 balls. Okay, this is the sign I am taking for the balls. Any sign you can refer. You can also make a star, square, rectangle, triangle. Any sign you can use. Now in January, how many balls were purchased? 5. So my one sign is equals to 1 ball. So what will I do? I will draw 5 balls. Okay. Now in February, how many balls were purchased? 6. So what will be the number of balls? 6. Because I have taken 1 ball is equals to 1 ball. If you are taking 2 balls, so what will you do? You will draw these 2 completely, because this will represent 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Now 1 is remaining, so for 1 I will draw the half bowl. Okay. Now in March, how many bowls were purchased? 2. So 2 bowls. In April, 1 bowl. So like this I have drawn the pictograph. You can also draw with your own sign or symbol, students. Now we will discuss about the answering the questions related to bar graph. Now bar graph, students. Bar graph, we'll discuss about the answering the questions related to bar graph. So here we are having a bar graph related to the number of toffees sold in the 5 days of the week. So on Sunday, how many toffees were sold? 20. On Monday, 10. On Tuesday, 50. And on Wednesday, 40. And on Thursday, 70 toffees were sold, students. You can also write the number above I have written. Now answer, what is the number of toffees sold on Wednesday? So on Wednesday, how many toffees are sold? 40. So what will be the answer? 40 toffees. Now on which day maximum and minimum number of toffees were sold? Maximum, as you all know, that the largest number. So maximum is sold on the Thursday, that is 70, and minimum is sold on the Monday, that is 10. So on Thursday maximum, on Monday minimum. Now what is the total number of toffees were sold? So how will I conclude the total number? 20 plus 10 plus 50 plus 40 plus 70. So 20 plus 10 plus 50 plus 40 plus 70. So after adding 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 50, 80, 80 plus 40, 120, 120 plus 70, 190. So the total number of toffees sold in the week is 190. What is the difference between number of toffees sold on Monday and Tuesday? So on Monday, how many toffees are sold? 10, and on Tuesday, 50. So I need to find out the difference of 50 minus 10. So the difference will be 40, students. So this was about the data handling for 3rd class students. I hope you all enjoyed it and understood it. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.